Children, good morning to all. Welcome to my class here by Physics. Already I am again with you with lecture number 3, topic atomic structure. That is the chapter 4 for Cbse syllabus class 9. Today very short topic I am going to discuss. Today this is the last lecture. Already I have taken 2 lectures on this topic and I am getting good response. And all children will cooperate. My target is to prepare you for the next exam, very higher exam, that is AIEEE and NEET. So as a experienced Cbse teacher, I am trying to help you so that your foundation level very strong. Now, so since this is foundation level, so I suggest that you study atomic structure, more or less some details, but again you will be accustomed to this chapter. Today topic is that octet. That is very important when you discuss with the bonding, chemical bonding. So what is octet? Already you have know that distribution of electron 2n square. In this respect, I have told you, if n equal to 1, we take this is k orbit having electrons, number of electrons, this formula use 2n square, k n equal to 1, that is 2 electrons. Similarly, n equal to, already I have discussed, n equal to 2, L orbit, that is 8 electrons, that is 2 into 2 square, 8 electrons. Similarly, n equal to 3, M orbit, in this way you have discussed 2 into 3 square, that is 18 electrons. But every atom, when there is 8 electrons at the last orbit, that is valence shell, last orbit, that is valence shell, valence orbit, maximum 8 electrons can be accommodated. So when one atom sharing or donating or accepting electrons, main target of the atom is to take the octet structure, to fill up this octet. Octet means when number of electrons at the last orbit is 8, valence is 0, that is inactive or inert element, neon, argon, krypton, like this. So octet means target of the atom to react with the other atoms to make it stable. That means last orbit should be 8 electrons. So when 8 electrons filled up, either by sharing or accepting or anything else, that means donating, then you are getting octet fill up. Already I have told you sodium electron distribution 281. It is very clear that if one electron is released from sodium atom, then sodium will be very more stable. One electron, then sodium plus. So sodium plus stable, then sodium. This question is very important. Why? Because sodium plus having last orbit electrons 8, it is 1. That means sodium ion, that is the sodium cation, is octet is filled up, that 8 electrons are there, 1 electron is released, then 8 electrons are there, 2, 8. That is 281. So sodium ion is more stable than sodium atom. In this way octet is filled up. Similarly chlorine you see, chlorine 17, 287. So if chlorine takes 1 electron, then chloride atom, then chloride ion will be more stable than chlorine atom, because chloride atom electronic configuration will be 888, because this 82888. So chloride atom is more stable than chlorine atom. Again I am telling first basic concept how electrons are distributed. 2n square basic formula, n equal to 1 k orbit, that is very close to nucleus, n2, that is L orbit 8, and that is n equal to 3, 18. Previous to last orbit, maximum electron can be accommodated is 18. So this is the accommodation of electron. But there is another, that is I am controlling by I am discussing with the principal quantum number. But azimuthal quantum number, orbital quantum number, and magnetic quantum number we will discuss, SP, DF, and above principle we will discuss in class 11 details. so I am not going to the details. For class 9 level, it will be beyond your understanding. So naturally this is a very important topic, octet. Octet is fill up, but always remember octet means last orbit maximum 8 electrons be there. But in the case of helium, that is exceptional. Helium last orbit having 2 electrons to make it inert. So it is bearing the characteristics of doublet. Thank you. Now I am going to discuss isotope. What is isotope? Octet is I have discussed, then I am discussing isotope. What is isotope? Isotope means same element same, but atoms of same element having different having same mass number, same atomic number, but different mass number. Example I am giving you. So atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. As for example, chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737. It is already 75%. It is 25% nature. So average atomic mass should be 35.5. Average atomic mass. Clear? So same element but atoms of same element must be same, but atoms of the same element both are chlorine, but few chlorine atom having mass numbers 35 and 37, but atomic number is same 17. Similarly, you can do oxygen 816, oxygen 817, oxygen 818. So there are many isotopes. So oxygen atoms, same element oxygen, both are oxygens but having different mass number but different same atomic number. Since atomic number is same, so electronic configuration will be same, their valence will be same, and their chemical properties will be same, because you know atomic number governs the chemical properties. So what I am getting? Chemical properties same. Chemical properties of isotope. Chemical properties same. Reasons? Chemical properties same, that is your conclusion. But science tells you when you are taking conclusion, give the reasons. Reason is chemical atomic number controls chemical properties. Clear? So this is the number. In exam it will come 2 or 3 marks. So when 2 or 3 marks coming, then you give the definition, give example, and tell chemical property same because their atomic number same, electronic configuration same. Now I am coming after isotope. I am coming isobar. Only definition and example will come for isobar. What is isobar? Isobar example you see. Isobar, as for example, argon and calcium. Argon and calcium, both mass number same, 40 and 40. But this is 20 and that is equal to 18. That means it is 18. So now another example I am giving you. Carbon 612, nitrogen 740. 614, and that is this. So in different atoms, different elements, same mass number but different atomic number. Clear? Same mass number, you see 40, 40 and 49 cases. So many examples you can give. So different elements having same mass number but different atomic number. Clear? Same mass number but different atomic number. 2 examples I am giving you. So in your exam or any competitive exam, they will give so many pair, and you have to determine which one is isobar. Another is isotone. I am giving example isotone. Isotone means, give example hydrogen. Suppose hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen 1 and helium 2, 4, 3. Another one, silicon and phosphorus, that is 15, that is 16, 30 and 31. Sorry, 14. This is 14 and 40, 30 and phosphorus 16, phosphorus 15 and this. Okay. Now in this example we see different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same but different mass number and atomic number. Clear? Details atomic numbers, AT number, you know, not number. I think my dearest children will help me. My handwriting is not so good as you expecting. So you cooperate with me. My holy target, honest target is to help you. So in my channel you give some comment so that channel can be improved with your help. Already I have given you helium and 2 examples I have given hydrogen and helium. This hydrogen is known as tritium because ordinarily the hydrogen 3 isotopes, deuterium, ordinary hydrogen and protium, and the ordinary protium and deuterium and tritium. Now what is the neutron? 3 minus 1, 2. Neutron is same, 2. Here you are getting number of neutron. Number of neutron for hydrogen here, that is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. For helium neutron top 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Clear? What is the neutron? Neutron, in that case neutron particle equal to 30 minus 14. Here neutron equal to 31 minus 15. That is 16 and 16. So how can you get neutron? Mass number minus atomic number. So 3 minus 1, 2 for hydrogen atom, so you are getting 2. And for helium, number of neutrons are getting mass number minus atomic number. That is equal to 2. In that case, silicon, you see 30, 14, then 30 minus 14, 16, and phosphorus, that is 31 minus 15, that is 16. So same neutron numbers, isotone, neutron, same neutron number, mass number and isobar, mass number same but different atomic number. So neutron number must be different. Different elements, both are different elements, but first case at mass isobar, mass number same. You see mass number same mass number. You see, argon and calcium 40-40, but their atomic number different, 18 and 20. Carbon 6 and 7, but mass number same, 14 and 14. So this is isobut. This is isotone. Thank you. Next, last one that is very important for your interest. Those are applying for any scholarship exam or any other exam, they will get tremendous help from this one. You know, one atomic mass unit equal to 1.06 10 to the power minus 24 gram. How it is coming? Now you know 1 mole carbon means 12 gram. Clear? 1 mole carbon means 12 gram. It contains Na number, that is 6.023 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. Clear? So 1 mole you take 12 gram. It contains Avogadro number, that is Avogadro number. Clear? So I should say mass of one carbon atom, mass of one carbon atom equal to this divided by this, 12 by 6.023 10 to the power 23 term. Clear? Because this number of atoms having mass 12 gram. So one atom mass, this by this, and one atomic mass unit equal to 1/12 mass of one carbon atom. One carbon 6 atoms. Clear? Mass of 1/12. That means one atomic mass unit, you are getting this divided by 12. So you are getting 12 by 6, 023 into 1 by 12, 10 to the power minus 23 gram. That is roughly will come out 12 you cancel. So 1 by 6.023 10 to the power minus 23 gram. That is coming roughly 1.66 10 to the power minus 24 gram. If you round, then it will be 6-7 like this, minus 24 gram. Again I am telling you. First, this relationship is very important. Why this is important I am taking? When in nuclear physics class 12 we are going, atomic mass unit, nuclear fission, fusion, so many chapters are there where mass is given in atomic mass, mass defect, and so many areas are there in class 12, you understand. So from class 9 to this concept don't forget, because it is my channel trying to relate you with. I see from my 20 years experience there is a huge gap between 11, 12 to 9, 10. This is the lacking syllabus. Syllabus will be so modified so that a student, those are taking science in class 11, especially physics and chemistry, they should little bit acquainted with the syllabus that already he has learned in class 9, 10. But what you are learning in 9, 10, if you new things you are facing in class 11, 12, so students face some difficulties in 11 and 12, so they can't take proper preparation for any competitive medical or any engineering exam, and they take Akash, they take Allen, there's so many Vidya Mandir, there's so many areas, coaching center, that is commercial center, they go and they donate huge money, they invest huge money, but their net result is zero. So I have seen so many students frustrated. So if you think that you are going to appear for any competitive exam in the long run, that especially medical huge competition is there, my experience tells you that you take preparation from 9 only. Little bit preparation. So 4 years solid preparation will help you to prepare your that to crack this exam. That means NEET and AIT police. So I have opened this channel. I hope my children from my country will help me to uplift this channel. So they are doing and suggesting me what can I do. I am as a teacher. As a teacher, my role is to help you. I am trying my level best to enrich the channel. I am consulting so many books, especially Cbse and ICC board, so many books, and comparing the notes and content, and then preparing the children. So you think this is another coaching center without any investing your money? Just you go for it, and per week 2 classes will be taken on Cbse and ICC, so many boards. So you follow my channel, I think you will be little bit benefited. Once you are benefited from my channel, if you think that it is benefited, it is get benefit for you, then my request to my all children, those are dearest to me, whether I don't see or they don't see me face to face, but I think they are my child, I love them, I bless them from my heart, and they will subscribe my channel. If you think so, it is very important to subscribe the channel. If you think so, not that I am telling you to subscribe and ban you or subscribe, don't do it. I am not telling you to do it. Only subscribe at that condition when you will get benefit from my channel. Okay. Now again, this thing is very difficult and to comprehend. First, one atomic mass unit, that is very important. When is very little mass, I am considering not kilo, not quintal, not ton, like this. Very atomic mass is very negligible mass. So atomic mass unit is very in terms of gram. But you know, Einstein equation tells you E equal to mc square. Then atomic whole mass will be converted into atomic mass unit. So 1 mole carbon, 1 gram atomic carbon, that is 12 gram. You know, atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram hoga. So it contains, you know, 1 mole any substance contains fixed number of atoms or molecules. In this case, atom, monoatomic. It contains fixed number, that is Avogadro number. Clear? That is very important. So this number of carbon atoms having mass 12 gram. Clear? So if you imagine like this is so many molecules are there. Clear? So many molecules are, this number is Na. If you weight, then it is given 12 gram. So this number 12 divided by this number, you are getting mass of 1 carbon atom. After getting mass of 1 carbon atom, you take 12th mass of this 1/12 mass of this carbon atom. So you divide this mass with 12, you are getting atomic mass unit. So this divided by 12 will give you the atomic mass unit. After proper calculation, you are getting 1 atomic mass unit to 1.67 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Now children, one thing I am telling you, I shall try my level best to take 2 classes for IC 9 Cbse syllabus, NCERT base, consulted so many reference books and my 11-12 books. I am lifting your intellect level in my subjects. So please cooperate with me. And this is already I have written. This is foundation level for you. And chapter 4 already completed. So in my channel you go chapter lecture 1, lecture 2. That's higher physics. You call lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3. Now one chapter totally completed. That is according to NCERT syllabus. One chapter atomic structure totally completed. Now from next day I am starting new chapters. You wait for this. Thank you all.